Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros chocolate. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of water, half a cup of butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for the base. Then, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget half a cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for that classic churro coating. For the rich chocolate sauce, prepare 2/3 cup of chocolate chips and 2/3 cup of heavy cream. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create that perfect churro dough. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, half a cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a boil, ensuring the butter melts completely. Remove from heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a thick dough ball forms. Let the dough cool for a few minutes, then beat in 2 large eggs, 1 at a time, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, until the dough is smooth and glossy. With your dough ready, it's time for the fun part, frying. Heat 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to a temperature between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6-inch strips of dough into the hot oil, using scissors to snip the ends. Fry 2 to 3 churros at a time for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove them with a slotted spoon. Drain briefly on paper towels. Then immediately roll them in your cinnamon sugar mixture. Finally, let's make that irresistible chocolate dipping sauce. In a small saucepan, gently heat 2/3 cup of heavy cream until it just begins to simmer, but don't let it boil. Place 2/3 cup of chocolate chips in a heat-proof bowl, then pour the hot cream over them. Let it sit for about 1 minute, then whisk until the chocolate is completely melted and the sauce is silky smooth. Serve your warm, crispy churros with this decadent chocolate sauce. And hey, for staying refreshed while you cook, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.